What is up, YouTube? I'm back with another video. 2 videos in 1 week. I know what's going on, but I just wanted to make a video. So I got another haircut today. This is my 3rd haircut since I got the hair transplant, and I just wanted to come on here and show you guys. So I'm gonna dip my head down. I'm gonna turn to the right, turn to the left. Let you guys see the sides, and let y'all see this side. Okay. Oh, in the back, let you guys see the back. Okay, so I'm gonna just give y'all my thoughts on the haircut. So he did put some not Beamer, I'm sorry, hair fibers. I don't know why I keep saying Beamer, because they are two different they're two different things. They kind of do the same thing, but they're two different products. So he did put some hair fibers in the corners where the transplanted area is. And he faded my sides as well, which I don't know if I'm crazy about, to be honest. I didn't even ask for that, but I got it, so it is what it is. The barber that I go to, he's not super expensive, so I like him. He does a good job. He's a nice guy. I think he charges like $20 or $25, so I guess I can't complain. I know my brother, he pays like $60 to $80 for a haircut, and I'm just not that guy. I'm cheap. That's kind of why I got the hair transplant in the first place, just because I don't want to have to go to the barber every week for a lineup. Like, I would prefer to go once a month or once every 6 weeks. So that would be like my ideal frequency. But yeah, guys, 9 months in. If you guys want to see my hair transplant without the hair fibers, my last video, I showed you guys no alterations, no hair fibers, no anything, and I'll link that so you guys can see it. So before I got my haircut, I shampooed my hair, conditioned it, and then I just sprayed some aloe vera juice on it before I went to the shop. Just so like my scalp isn't, just so my scalp isn't flaking while I'm in the chair, because that's super embarrassing. But yeah, I don't normally, when I go to the barbershop, I don't normally put any product in my hair or anything, just because you're not supposed to. So yeah, this is my hair. No products in it. I might see if I can get some waves. If you guys have any tips for me getting waves, I've never had them, but I'm pretty sure I can get them because I have curls. So I'm thinking I can get some waves. But yeah, I think I'm just going to keep it short, you guys, for now, until I get to the 18th month mark. And then once I'm like, I can see my final result, I can decide if I have enough density to keep my hair long or just keep it this length and use a little bit of hair fibers. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Short video today. I will update you guys soon, and be on the lookout for more videos. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.